Hello my dear friends, my name is Rajput and I am going to show you how to make a peacock with the help of this 24 pieces snake Rubik's cube. So before beginning, if you like my video, please subscribe and tap the bell icon to get notification about my new videos, and please give it a thumbs up. First, take your Rubik's cube and count 1 and move this first block at 90-degree angle like this. Now count 1 and 2 and move this black one at 90-degree angle like this. Okay, like this. Now count 1 and 2 and move this black one downwards. Now count 1 and 2 and move this black one at your right side twice. Now count 1 and move this red one upwards like this. Now count 1 and move this red block away from you once at a time. Now count 1 and 2 and move this red block towards your right upwards like this. Okay, now count 1 and 2 and move this red space towards yourself like this. Now count 1 and move this black one like this. Now count 1 and move this red one like this. Now count 1 and 2 and move this red space towards your right side like this till it touches this red block. Now count 1 and move this black black block to away from you like this. Now count 1 and move this red space upwards like this. Okay, now upwards. Now count 1 and 2 and move this red block like this. Now your peacock is ready. See. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please comment in the comment section about this peacock. Bye.